You will hear it tomorrow.
Attorney, how's the former president so far?
Former president is in good spirits as always.
Obvious na nga na ang legal strategy ni Nicholas Kaufman, ang paldong-paldong British-Israeli lawyer ni Digongyo sa ICC ay mag-go for full-blown trial at idrag o idawit dito ang Marcos administration at ang mismong ICC. Ibig sabihin, nakahanda na ang pamilya Duterte na gumastos ng bilyones sa loob ng 5 o mahigit pang taon at may basbas na nga ang pamilya Duterte kay Kaufman.
For President Bongbong, his word is for the wind, and the people will not forget it. Let me remind everyone of the letter which President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. signed, it's on the screen, and in which he gave a cast iron undertaking that his government, and I quote, will not assist the ICC in any way, shape, or form.
Ayon naman sa pahayag ni Kaufman sa unang araw ng confirmation of charges ng kanyang bilyonaryong kliyente, satisfied daw si Digongyo sa kanyang argumento kahit hindi ito umattend sa hearing.
He has not been monitoring the hearing because, as you know, he gave a waiver.
But you always give him an update.
I give him a report, of course. I'm counsel and I'm expected to give my plan to a report of what I'm doing. It would be enough.
When was the last time you gave him a report?
I told you yesterday.
Yesterday.
Una, maraming nagtataka kung bakit si PBBM ang naging target ni Kaufman sa unang araw ng hearing.
So it is indeed the defense case that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. set out to neutralize Rodrigo Duterte and his legacy.
Maging sa hearing kahapon, ang PBBM admin din ang naging sentro ng mga argumento ni Kaufman sa ICC.
I would like to show you the statistics pertaining to the rate of killings since the former president has left power, and the responsibility for law and order has passed into the hands of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.